Hey.
Today we're going to be showing you the new car wash.
What's this car wash called?
The Super Fast Queen-tastic car wash.
And did you make this car wash all by yourself?
Yes.
Did Daddy help you?
No.
All right. So, why don't you show us the features of this car wash? And what do you call these first set of wipes?
Wrap in a combo. Oh man, I can get that.
And how did you decide on this design?
Well, I just put everything on separate places.
I see. Wow. So you've got the rapid scrubbers. Then you've got how are these? Are these rotating?
What do we make?
All right.
The biggest air conditioning factory in this country is 24 acres square foot. Where?
All right. Can you push it through?
Yeah. Push it out.
Wow. I bet that is one clean car at the end of that.
And then after these wipes, they're gonna go through. It's gonna go through these mini brushes. Oh no! Gosh.
So I see that you've got some shorter pieces. How did those shorter pieces happen?
Well, they broke.
And who broke them?
Someone did.
Someone, huh? Do you know who that someone was?
Me.
Oh, yeah? All right, so way to go on that car wash. Can I get a high five?
Next car.
All right.